Akash. He is suffering from distress in his life. Well, it is neither the job stress nor financial issues. At 28, he is suffering from hair loss. Like any other person, he tried medications, hair loss supplements, hair oils, and even Ayurvedic treatments, but nothing has worked. Luckily, through one of his friend's suggestion, he came across hair transplant. But he is confused as the false advertisements, different prices, and false results are not helping him to make the choice. Fortunately, Akash found the VJ's clinic. During the consultation, all the concerns were addressed and he was given an individualized treatment plan. VJ's clinic has a team of renowned and experienced hair transplant doctors who gave him 2,200 grafts for 4,500 roots. During treatment, he did not experience pain as he was given anesthesia and no grafts were wasted. Now, Akash is happy because his money is saved, the hair growth looks natural, permanent results, high quality treatment, no scars or stitches, reduced recovery time. If you are looking for effective and reliable treatment for hair loss, book your consultation with the VJ's clinic.